So as a developer, one of the biggest things you're going to be doing is editing documents on your computer and then needing to test them out. Well, testing them out means that you're going to have to basically create a mini internet on your computer. As you know, internet is comprised of everything from your browser going through your router, making a request to your server. So we have an application called XAMPP, spelled, if you want to just go ahead and search for it with me, XAMPP. We have them already installed on your guys' computers. But what XAMPP basically is a mini server that you can start on your computer to ensure that all of the documents that you're editing can actually be viewed inside of a web browser. So if you go to XAMPP control panel and click on it, you see that I already have a couple of things running. You should not have anything running. So I'm just going to stop this and show you guys how to start it again. It's really straightforward. So you need two basic modules to be going in order to run projects on your computer, aka run a mini server on your computer. You're going to go to Apache and MySQL, and you're going to make sure that you start both of those. This FileZilla, Mercury, and Tomcat, we can talk about it later. You'll be using them for more advanced projects, but this Apache and MySQL is what you're going to be using the most for right now. Now, one of the other things that you're going to want to notice is the ports. So these ports are basically little connection points that are made on this server that's being set up on your computer that you can go to and then access the documents where you're saving them. So where you're going to be saving documents that you're editing are actually in your XAMPP htdocs folder. So if you search again for XAMPP and then you can just go to the htdocs folder, you're going to here create files, and you can name the file whatever you want. Here I've named the sample, name my file sample project. So if you click on sample project, this is actually where you're going to save all of the documents. So you have your index document, I have a home.js file, so that's where I'm creating my JavaScript, and then I have jQuery, which is a front-end framework where I've saved a file for that. So at this point, if you look at what port it's on, all the ports start with 80. So if you go to localhost/sample project, you'll be actually be going to this sample project folder, and because it's a server, the browser is going to read whatever is in the indexed first. And so from there, you'll have all the other things linked. So in this sample project, I have my create a contact exemplar project, and you'll be creating that later on in this unit. But this is basically how you set up XAMPP. Make sure that when you are done, you go to your XAMPP and you stop the server running. It does use a lot of battery and a lot of extra computational space on your computer, so make sure that you stop them when you're done and close your computer for the day. But it's really that simple to get your own server up and running. Again, the way you get to the documents once the server is running is going to localhost/example or sample project or whatever you have named the file in your htdocs.